Today's video topic is how to use LinkedIn groups. My name is Martin Buckland and I'm an executive career management practitioner. I manage and advance the careers of senior executives and those who aspire to be business leaders across the world. Today's topic is very interesting: how to use LinkedIn groups. Have you heard of LinkedIn groups? Many people haven't. They are a hidden treasure, but they can bring massive rewards to your career management. It's a venue for you to network with peers in your industry, fellow professionals, people who can generate leads for you. You want leads. If you are in a job search, you want as many leads as possible. And by joining groups, I bet you can generate leads. It's a great place, great venue, great forum for you to increase your visibility and solidify your expert status. LinkedIn currently allows you 100 groups to join. But 100 groups is a drop in the ocean to the available groups. There are millions of groups available to you right now. If you don't see a group you want to join, why don't you start one? And then you can market yourself as an expert within that particular demographic, within that particular skill set. It's a great tool for you to use. Be specific. Don't join a knitting group or a woodworking group. Your hobbies. You need to use this for your business. Only join groups that will bring significant rewards. Search on the particular search engine within LinkedIn for groups. I bet you will find many intriguing groups with lots of professionals in the same skill set, same demographic, same business as you can network with that will bring you value. Once you decide on joining those groups, in Microsoft Word, create a generic introduction. Say, hi, my name is Martin Buckland. I'm an executive career management practitioner. I am an expert in managing and advancing the careers of senior executives. I'm about to launch a job search, or I am sensibly managing my career. You need to have an introduction in Microsoft Word and you customize it according to that particular group. Groups can bring you huge value. They've brought massive, significant value to my clients. If you see people wanting leads, share it. Part of networking, part of helping people with their career management is giving before receiving. It's a great free tool. So use LinkedIn groups. Are you going to join LinkedIn groups now? My name is Martin Buckland and I'm an executive career management practitioner. Thanks for listening.